What's going on, Balaclava Squad? Back again today with some Uber Eats and DoorDash delivery. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe if you're new to the channel. If this is the type of content you guys are like seeing, you think you want to see some more content like this, I can definitely make a lot more of it. So drop a comment below and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Got a good one for you guys today. All right guys, we have made it. We're headed to our first delivery right now. Same area where we were yesterday. If you guys peeped that Corvette from last time. It says the pickup's here on the right, but I don't see any place. Oh, sorry, thank you. This is it, y'all. We have made it to the first delivery. You guys know the drill. Let's head inside, see what we can get. All right, you guys, we picked up the first order, but bruh man got soup, so let's hope and pray that it makes it safely. You know me, I gotta secure it in. So we're gonna use the hoodie. Secure like so. Get this in here to keep it nice and hot, and let's head to Ricardo. I hope your soup makes it, buddy, and I hope it doesn't spill all over the inside of my bag. Ricardo, we have your order and we are on our way. I repeat, Ricardo, we have your order and we're on the way, baby. We got soup, y'all, so we got to be very, very careful for this drop off. Don't worry, Ricardo, we are on our way to you, man. Listen, Rich, I'm trying to keep your suit together, but it's definitely a bumpy ride. Oh, they saw me talking. I'm gonna just say what's up. That's the thing about these videos, is that it definitely looks like I'm probably talking to myself, which essentially I am, but I'm talking to the Balaclava Squad, you feel me? Shout out Balaclava Squad. Right here. Let's see where the drop-off is, y'all. Made it to the first drop-off location. Let's get Richard his food. Oh my goodness, the soup stayed secure, y'all. The soup stayed secure. That's a W. That is a W in my book. I'm sorry. We almost botched it at the end there, you guys, but looks like we're good to go. Enjoy your food, my friend. I honestly can't believe that we successfully completed that delivery without messing up the soup. And then I literally flop it at the 1 yard line. We are now on the way to our next delivery. We're gonna pick up some Chick-fil-A. I believe it was like $5 for a mile or so. So that's a pretty good one. We're literally testing all our might today. Come on, broski, it doesn't take that long. What are you gonna do? You go on ahead, bro. You go. Are you gonna go? What's going on here? Bro, what are you doing? Go ahead. You're good, bro. Go on ahead. Yeah. What's going on here? Jesus Christ. I said, I'm picking up DoorDash. Do I just like park here on the side? I appreciate you. I don't want to take the handicap spot, so we're gonna cool right here. Let's go grab this delivery real quick and we'll be right back. We picked up the order for Sophia. She has a frozen iced coffee, so you guys know the method that I'm using here. We're just gonna try to keep it as secure as possible. I tried to really press it down there so that I can push it down while also forcing it against the sides. Will it work? Who freaking knows? Let's go. Make sure you guys smash this thumbs up on this video. We are on the road to 1K, so if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. I love how glossy these gloves are. I'm just gonna keep, I love these gloves. Shout out to Charge for sending these gloves over, for real, because these gloves are amazing. I definitely love it. Now we just have to get this frozen iced coffee there with no problem. He was supposed to take that. Oh, I thought he was gonna take that. Sorry. We're pulling up. All right, you guys, we made it. I think it's that one. The iced coffee, and see if that made it in one piece. Let's go! Let's go! Iced coffee in one piece. Let's go, gang. Iced coffee, icy hot, okay? And we are golden. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna try and get some more real quick. See if we can find some more orders. But so far, so good. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, y'all. Can you guys see that over there? Can y'all see that over there? We gotta go check that out. But we gotta head to the next delivery. On our way to pick up the third delivery of the night. We're gonna go pick up some Kim's. The order is for like $9 for 6 or 7 miles. Kim Fo's Grill. Sorry guys, to pick up our third delivery of the day. Now the RZ is not fully charged. I left with about maybe about 90% charge, 95%, and right now we are going down towards 75%. So we're gonna see how we're doing after this delivery. Maybe do one more after this. Make sure you guys, if you're liking the video so far, make sure you guys leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go pick up this delivery. All right, you guys, we just picked up our third order for the day. Gonna put the bag in there to secure that, and we are headed over to Irene. Oh, how's it going, man? It's about 15 minutes away, so it shouldn't take too long to get there. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he's headed this way too. How you doing, man? Looking good, man, looking good. Whoa, bad boys, what you gonna do? If you guys are liking the video, if you're liking the content, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content. Oh my gosh, hold on, y'all. We slowing down for this one. I wonder if we can dash on a horse. That's fire, bro. That's fire. I want to dash on a horse. Go around, go around. Jesus Christ. Whoa, I don't know what's happening here, guys. I do not know what's going on. We're losing power to the RZ. Let's give it a stop. quick little reboot. We're 4 minutes away. I don't know what's going on with the RZ. It seems like we lost power a little bit there for a second. It's not giving me anything. Oh, this is so embarrassing. Pretty sure the RZ has completely died out on us, you guys. I might have to, it might be faster if I walk it there, honestly. Not the bike, the order. I have no idea. Oh my goodness, look at that power drop, you guys. No, this is freaking terrible. Halfway through a delivery, how far am I? Let me just try to keep giving it gas. Says I'm 4 minutes away, another mile and a half. Oh my goodness, I'm not running a mile. That's the thing, you guys. You're gonna wanna make sure you're fully charged up. This is exactly why I try to make videos like this and try to show you guys what's going on. Look at these cars. These cars are flying by me, okay? I am getting nowhere very fast. I was making excellent time on this delivery. Now it doesn't look like I'm even gonna make it there. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. As you can see, I am in dire need of subscriptions. Don't be mad at me, lady, but we got another mile and a half. So I'm gonna get this order to you, Sophia, no matter what. Oh man, the bike died out on us, guys. So we're gonna try to run the rest of this. Says it's 2 minutes away. All right, the order's still good. The order's still intact. I repeat, order. Oh Lord, this is freaking crazy. You guys came to see a Dash biking video and now you're getting literal Dash running content. I ran cross country in high school and a tiny bit in college, so I should be good for the most part. Just worry about keeping the food intact first of all and getting this delivery there, and of course giving you guys the best content possible. I know to the people on the side of the road this looks so crazy because I did not take off my helmet, so I'm running with a full face helmet. Whew. 8 minutes. I'm literally running these dashes to the customers. Oh, there's a dog. Look, he's running with me. Oh man, I don't know if I'm just dead or if it's the helmet. Not this one, the next one. Sophia, I hope you really like Kimfo's grill, because I literally just ran this to you. Oh man. Final order completed. Oh man. I gave you 3 DoorDash orders and a 3.5K all in one video. If you watched all the way up to here, I hope it was entertaining. I hope I had you guys wrapped into the very end. Make sure you leave a like on this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the Balaclava Squad. We are on our way right now to 1K, and right now I'm on my way back to the RZ. All right, you guys, made it back to the RZ. I just GPSed the route from my current location to my house. Says that it's a 12-minute ride, 2-hour walk. So let's see what the RZ got left for us. Honestly, can't get much slower than this. Balaclava up in this.